Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today, you'll be learning more Filipino adjectives that are commonly used. Knowing them can help you get around in the Philippines, and using them can make being around some locals more fun. Let's start with Madali. This is easy in English. Ma-da-li. Madali. 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 Madali lang. Madali lang pumunta doon. Madali lang ba? The opposite is mahirap. This translates to difficult. Ma-hi-rap. Mahirap. 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 Mahirap po. Mahirap po gawin. Mahirap ba talaga? Another is malalim. This is deep in English. Ma-la-lim. Malalim. 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 Malalim po ba? Malalim ang tubig. Hindi malalim. The opposite is mababaw. This means shallow or not deep. Ma-ba-baw. Mababaw. 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 Mababaw po ba? Mababaw lang po. Mababaw lang ang tubig. Then there's Bago. This translates to new. Bago. 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 Bagong stock po ba? Bago ba itong damit? Bagong linis ito. The opposite is Luma. This is old in English. Luma. 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 Luma na itong sasakyan. Luma na yata ito. Hindi po ito luma. These are just some common Filipino adjectives with their opposites. You might find them useful when talking to some locals. Now, let's practice the words. This is easy. Madali. This is difficult. Mahirap. This is deep. Malalim. This is shallow. Mababaw. This is new. Bago. This translates to old. Luma. I hope you find these words useful the next time you talk to a local. Try using these words and you'll surprise some locals. Thank you for watching. Alam.